In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload NFTs into OpenSea. By the end, you'll know how to add your NFTs to a public gallery on your profile so visitors can browse them in one place. Quick note before we start. You'll need to be logged into your OpenSea account with the wallet that holds the NFTs you want to feature. If you don't see an item later on, it usually means it isn't in the connected wallet or it's hidden. Begin by opening your browser and going to OpenSea.io. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid lookalike sites. Once the homepage loads, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. Hovering there opens a small menu with shortcuts to different parts of your account. From that menu, click Profile to go to your personal page. This is where all your owned items and collections are visible, and it's the hub for organizing what other people see. On your profile, look for the Galleries tab. Galleries are curated sections you control, perfect for highlighting a theme, a collection, or just your favorite pieces. Click Galleries to open that area. Inside, you'll see options to manage what's showcased. To start making changes, click Edit Gallery. This switches the page into editing mode so you can add or remove items. Occasionally, OpenSea may ask you to sign a quick message in your wallet to confirm you're the owner. This is a standard, gas-free signature and doesn't cost anything. Now, look for the plus icon. Clicking the plus opens a picker where you can browse NFTs that are available in your profile. Take a moment to scan through the list. If you have a lot of items, use the search or filter options to find what you want faster. When you find an NFT you'd like to feature, click the plus icon next to that item. You can repeat this for multiple pieces and you'll see them appear in the gallery preview as you go. If you change your mind, just remove an item in the preview before saving. When you're happy with the selection, click Save Edits to publish the changes to your gallery. Give it a moment to process, then refresh your profile to confirm everything looks right. If something didn't appear, double check that the NFT is visible in your profile and not hidden, and that you're on the correct wallet account. That's it. You've successfully added your NFTs to your OpenSea gallery, making your profile more organized and engaging for visitors. Thanks for watching and enjoy showcasing your collection.